A lot of the guests will come to the cooking show not expecting to learn how to make homemade pasta or how to make a Newburgh sauce or how to make beef Wellington. And it's great to see them leaving at the end of the night to say, I had such a great time, but I'm so intrigued to go home and recreate this evening's meal. Hello, I'm Chef Kim McLendon. I am the host of In the Kitchen cooking show here at Mohegan, Pennsylvania. Ladies and gentlemen, hello everyone. Thank you so much. Good evening. How's everyone doing tonight? We usually host the shows every Friday and Saturday evening with my assistant, my husband, Gary. The shows start at 7 p.m. and it's a very unique experience because everything is live and unscripted. So we love to talk about food, of course, but we also want the guests to come into the kitchen and leave, with a little bit of food knowledge, but also we want them to have a great time as well, feel relaxed. We want them to feel like they can ask questions, that they're literally cooking with us in our own kitchen at home. I just kind of segmented my blood orange, and I'm just going to put a couple of these pieces in here. The great thing about the cooking show is it's for everyone. So it's for the foodie that loves to cook and has a million kitchen gadgets at home. We see couples, we see girls' night out, we see bachelorette parties, we see so many folks that just come into the kitchen, but they want to have a good time and they want to leave with a great memory as well.